Living as I now do on a small island that has chosen to sever itself from Europe, it occurs to me that my letter to Europe might consist of a single word: sorry. I'm a poet and I write for the opera stage. I think of Europe's rich culture as something in which I share and to which I contribute. Of course, that can still happen. Operas I've co-written have been performed in European countries. My work has been translated into German, Spanish, French, Greek, Bosnian. But there is still a sense of loss. The sound of English doors slamming, the sight of backs turning on a rendition of the anthem of Europe, a depressingly xenophobic and Philistine retreat. The opportunity to write an open letter to Europe seems like a hand held out, a hand to open doors, a hand to be grasped, and I welcome it.